As you all know, here at Skunkworks, we are the distributors of Firelight. It comes with two versions, a 9000 lumen version, 250 watts, and a 5000 lumen version at 150 watts. Now, this is halogen. This gives you 100 CRI, can penetrate through thick fog, in heavy rains. You see brightly with full contrast on asphalt roads, even on rainy nights. But, of course, there are still some people who doesn't want halogen, they prefer LEDs. So we had to do our part in order to serve our clients. We had to investigate, do some research, and look for the best LED that's available in the market. So we found one. Of course, as we all know, LED doesn't come in a 100 CRI version, but at least for short distances, it's really good. For short throw, if you're on the trail, will work wonders. So here's what we found. STEDI. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Very nice packaging, if I do say so myself. Quite heavy. Well built. Look at the design. Really nice. It says QC Pass. Pwede yata ito magdaan sa Quezon City kasi QC Pass. This is the STEDI model is this, 3301. It's a roughly 7 to 7.5 inch work light. It's a 4 LED light bar. It's designed to offer a high volume of light in mid-range with excellent visibility, and it's initially designed to be a work light, but because of its strong performing beam, it is perfectly suited for any application where you find yourself short of space but in need of powerful light. Performance-wise and color temperature is optimized, so it'll give you a sort of a yellowish or warm white color at 5500 Kelvin. It's IP68 rated, Ingress Protection, so it's water, shock, dust proof. It's also backed by a certificate of conformity. This light is built to withstand dust ingression and long periods of water. Very nice. The all-new reflector design minimizes light scatter, allowing for a more concentrated illumination. This means that there's more light where it matters most. The half-width beam has an angle of 45 degrees. It allows for a range of rotations, achieving excellent light coverage. So inside the box, we have the 7.5 inch light. Here are the bits and pieces, accessories, brackets, 2 Allen keys, some screws, male and female connectors, stainless steel brackets made out of 304 stainless steel. So expect no corrosion, no rust. Oh, there's another Allen key, a bigger one. The reason why we have one of these is we actually got a pair thanks to Titan Tech Philippines, who are the exclusive distributors of STEDI LED lights. This pair we're going to use on a bumper we're currently customizing for a Ford Ranger Raptor. Client, aside from wanting to have a pair of Nemesis 9000 installed for the long throw, because the Nemesis 9000 can reach, I think, a little bit more than kilometer. He wants something that he can use on the beaten path, on the trail, something that can spread out and give him nice illumination and at the same time for short distances. So that's why we got this. We're going to install this on his newly custom steel bumpers, which are done by us. Again, we want to thank Titan Tech Philippines for providing us with this magnificent product. So just in case you need LED lights, Skunkworks recommends STEDI, one of the best lights you can find in the market. And it's brought to us by Titan Tech. And we also have it here available at Skunkworks, as we are one of the authorized dealers. And if you want something that can cut through any fog, rain, and give you 100 CRI, brightest light on the planet, still, we also have Firelight. Thank you so much. See you next time.